How have you gotten other people as excited as you are and help them sort of start tapping into AI?
I would say not everybody is as excited as I am, but a lot of people are very excited. And I don't know if you've seen the Shopify memo that the CEO of Shopify and then later on a few other CEOs have come out with them. I really like what they say in those is that it really AI just needs to become part of what we are, what we do. I just had this discussion yesterday with one of our teams here is that we need to create like lunch and learn sessions in our home office, which is not where most of our people are. But for those of us who are here, like on a monthly basis, let's just come together. Let's highlight, hey, look at this cool tool we built. And that takes 5 minutes. And then sit around tables and say, okay, how are you using AI? What are you seeing as a breakthrough? How have you saved time? How have you become more, not just more efficient, because that it's not just about becoming more efficient. It's about having more value, like doing the things that are you get joy from, and then offloading the junk of just reading through and, going through manually a document and pulling out certain words. Like AI can totally do that and can do it much faster than we can. So I think introducing opportunity for people to talk about what they're doing, share with each other what they're doing, and learn from one another. I come from a training background. That did training for over a decade. AI is not something that we need to develop a bunch of training to do. My opinion. I think that it's sort of intuitive once you get into it. When you start seeing how other people are using it, you will get excited about how I can use it. If you think you're going to go watch a bunch of LinkedIn Learn videos and all of a sudden know how to write prompts, you're going to learn how to write prompts when you write prompts and they don't work and you keep trying to get the AI to do something. It's a little bit like trying to train a dog to, fetch or roll over. You got to keep trying different ways until one day you get it. Oh, now that's how I do that.